Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Tuesday, 31 October 2023, I have 11 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits for today. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the Euro US. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now let's get back to the Euro US. I'm looking at a long year at a falling trend line here, the break and the retest. Euro stronger than the dollar. Busy making a 4-hour reversal. I was looking at the 1-hour trade earlier this morning, but this was a little bit iffish to me as a morning star, so it was too small. I opted not to go with this. However, the 4-hour will give me a second chance. At this stage, it's a piercing line, and it could be a bullish engulfing by the close of the next bar. So I'm looking at a long year. Then the EuroCAD, I took this trade yesterday, and we had the test of the level I identified, and then the morning star. If I zoom in, you can clearly see long black, small white, and then a long white closing above the halfway mark. I got a little bit of retracement there in the trade. Silly candle this, don't like it a lot, but I will sit and hold on tight to the trade. Anything when it comes back down here again at this stage is good to go with. Euro up there, CAD up there. It's the best pair to be in based on my relative strength index on the stage. Euro is gaining a lot overnight, so it's very strong, and the CAD is still the black sheep of the market. In the Aussie New Zealand, I took the long there. We trailed the stop loss there, starting to go up well. Got a T1 there, closing some of the trade, but we're still moving up for the 1.618 FIP levels. I deleted that so to draw in this one this morning. So when it comes back to this support level here, if you're not in the trade, that could be another opportunity. If you closed some of the trade there, potential adding back into the trade. Stop still out of the money, so I'm a little bit worried about that adding. But Aussie, New Zealand, still good. I'm waiting for the retest, candle reversal. I might add back in a small way because I've got a reduced risk and I've got a T1 money in the bank. Dow Jones testing the level I showed you yesterday. So now we will see if we can get a reversal. Last night, that one doesn't count, but now testing the level. I am looking for a 1-hour or a 4-hour reversal of this level with a strong dollar. Stock market bearish. I'm still interested in selling short. US Swiss, dollar up there, Swiss down here, still good for the longs. Same level I've identified for the last 2 days for you. So I'm still waiting at this area here. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. Next one, Euro Swiss. I'm also waiting for the retracement. You can see the theme for today is long Euro, long Aussie, and then basically long pound, short CAD, short New Zealand. But the Euro Swiss, I'm still waiting for retracement. We had this triangle, the break. I'm still waiting for the retest at the 61, a little bit below the 61% level. Highly unlikely that that's going to happen today, but let's see. I'm keeping my eye there. Then the Euro New Zealand, I took this trade this morning already. I'm a little bit underwater, I see, but we had the falling trend line, the break, the retest, morning star, and I got a little bit lower in here on the halfway mark. But Euro there, New Zealand there, you can see here I want to be long Euro CAD and Euro New Zealand. So got this one slightly lower, slightly underwater. Stop loss down on this candle low minus your 10 pips or 5 or 15, depends on what you want to do. Target on this triangle would be a T1, the minimum target objective of a triangle like this, with those highs. And the risk for me on this trade is roughly 40 for the 80 up there. So I'm happy with a 1 to 2 risk reward. So let's hope this can turn my way. I already took it earlier before the video. Let's hope for the best. US CAD, dollar, CAD, still want to be short CAD. I'm waiting for this level like on the previous videos. Euro Yen, this one breakout last night on the strong Euro theme. Yen weakening, so I'm waiting for the retest. Once I get this to come back and retest, I'll look for a 1-hour and a 4-hour bullish candle reversal. In the pound CAD, also Consolidating. Now this is an interesting one. If we look at pound there, CAD there, pound is streaming up the page subtly from yesterday. So I'm looking at a consolidation. So the breakout on the consolidation could be there. So I would like to see a break 4 hour close or two above, then the retest, then the reversal on either a 1 hour or a 4 hour candle reversal. Or when it comes back down here, I will be good. It's right at this 50% level, market structure there, market structure there. So that's good. But I'm also marking the 61% at these lows. If it gets back down there, we could be buying the bottom of a flag pattern. So if it dribbles down, I'll test my trade idea there. If it falls, I'll test my trade idea there again. And if it then bounces here, this could be one of those ones where you catch the bottom of a flag and you get an explosive move up the page. But I'll keep an eye on the RS and see what happens. But for now, those are the 3 levels I am watching. My favorite idea for today is a long on the pound New Zealand. You can see the pound up there, New Zealand down there. But first, if you are new to the channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the pound New Zealand. Falling trend line. Remember now, pound New Zealand. I am happy being long pound because it's steaming up the page since yesterday, but it needs to get through this resistance level. Big triangle forming. You see the run up the page, the consolidation. If I can get a break and a retest, I will be interested. Other than that, I will still keep an eye on this one here, because if you get a false breakdown and a strong reversal on a candle pattern, it's a failed pattern, and then we can get explosive moves up the page. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.